Hello, this is Jamie Moreland, and I'm going to be talking about some of the things that we discussed in this week's lesson about motivation and teams. So, motivation is defined as the process of arousing or directing or influencing someone to do something to accomplish a goal. Arousal, you mentioned, was like the energy put into doing it or the energy behind the actions. The direction is the choice of behavior to to be aroused. And then it was maintenance, the willingness to continue until the goal is met. So that had me thinking about some of the things that motivate me, as far as like why I wake up and go to work every day. I love my paycheck. I love to travel. I love shopping. I love my apartment and I love my car. So I want to make sure that I'm able to keep working to get the money to afford those things that I love. Another point that I thought about was me and my dieting journey. What motivates me is staying healthy or keeping my numbers at a healthy level or healthy range. The energy that I feel when I am eating right or eating clean and I'm taking walks outside, moving a little more. And of course, the confidence that got when I did start losing weight and seeing results, and it just made me feel like, okay, we're getting somewhere, we're doing good. So I like that feeling rather than when I'm off track. I feel sad or moody or fatigued or tired all the time. So I do see the difference between me eating cleaner and when I'm not eating so clean. So that's what motivates me to keep going, to keep pushing, see how far that I can learn about myself and the weight loss journey along the way. So you mentioned the different types of reinforcement theories. There was positive reinforcement, which is when the manager praises the employees. The negative reinforcement, which the manager stops nagging the employee. There's punishment, which the manager may demote an employee. And there's extinction, where the manager ignores the behavior. Out of all four of the reinforcement theories, I think positive reinforcement would have better results compared to the other ones, only because when someone is rewarded or praised for something, it will motivate them to continue doing it or to do better to get the reward. As far as employment goes, maybe like a bonus or a raise or time off or other, rewards given to employees for completing a task or accomplishing a goal. I think if an employment is looking for better results as far as performance with their employees, I think positive reinforcement will have better results than doing nothing at all. I think that's unfair as well. I mean, yes, we everybody goes to work to do a job, but I think that some some motivation could help boost everyone's mood at the end of the day, you know. So, and that will conclude my summary of this week's key points that I took out of the lesson. Thank you.